Let's cut across to images coming in of BJP's massive protest against the Delhi Chief Minister House splurge. Kejriwal's former top aide Kailash Gehlot, who only days ago joined the BJP from the AAP, has led the BJP stir. BJP netas coming together, storming the streets of the national capital. Hundreds of them gathered, demanding a detailed probe into the allegations of Arvind Kejriwal having spent crores to build up, to beautify and refurbish the Chief Minister residence.
जो शीश महल का इशू है उस पे प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए इकट्ठा हुए हैं और मैंने जब अपनी चिट्ठी लिखी अरविंद जी को तो उसमें ये साफ साफ लिखा कि शीश महल का जिस प्रकार से जो कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट हुई है ये वाकई में अनफॉर्चुनेट है और कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारे कोर प्रिंसिपल्स हैं आम आदमी पार्टी के उसके साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज होने का जीता जाता एग्जाम्पल है.
Okay, let's bring in Aishwarya Paliwal, who's getting us the latest on this massive stir. Aishwarya, big show there by the BJP where they're lashing out at the Aam Aadmi Party over the alleged splurge on refurbishing the Chief Minister house. Take it away, show us what's happening.
Well, Akshita, it's not just one issue that the Bharatiya Janata Party has been speaking about. But first, let's cut to the visuals. Visuals that you are seeing are of the protesters who now have been asked by the police to move away slowly. The protesters have started to disperse. But the kind of barricading that you are seeing, let me tell you, almost 4 layers of barricading and police personnel. And I am standing barely, Akshita, 50 meters away from where Arvind Kejriwal's house is. And this is very close. This is, the heart of the national capital. This is the Latian zone that we are speaking about. The police personnel present here in large numbers, all of them ready with the smoke guns and everything just in case the protest goes out of hand. The BJP now asking specific questions. They begin with the Sheesh Mahal, the crores of money that was being spent for the house of Arvind Kejriwal, the former house where he used to stay. Atishi is now staying in that house. They are asking questions about corruption and also the person who just a few days back switched over from Aam Aadmi Party to the BJP, Kailash Gehlot, also now raising fingers and saying that you need to answer about the massive corruption that is taking place both within the party and outside with regards to the departments that are functioning in the Delhi government. So all these questions being asked by the BJP, and Akshita, we will see these kind of protests intensifying in days to come. The Delhi elections will be held in February, and the kind of bandobast that you are seeing, we'll only see more of these visuals playing as it will be a fight between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party for the crown of Delhi. The elections, from what we understand, will be held in Feb. And that's the time when we will see all these attacks getting even sharper. Akshita.
All right, Aishwarya, thanks very much for getting us those details from the ground. You can see the protests taking place there with senior BJP leaders hitting the ground, demanding action against the Aam Aadmi Party, demanding action against Arvind Kejriwal and an investigation. Interestingly, if Aishwarya, you're still with us, it's Kailash Gehlot who's leading this agitation, who's leading this protest. And just, in fact, before he joined the BJP, he'd said that the reason he chose to quit AAP was because of embarrassing decisions like, refurbishing the Chief Minister's residence.
Well, Akshita, if you remember, a very specific resignation letter, a small one rather, was written by Kailash Gehlot, and he had specifically pointed towards the fact that first, when he joined the Aam Aadmi Party, he thought that it was a party that could actually make a change, that could bring about change. Secondly, he spoke about the fact that the people that he thought, the people with whom he made sure that he joined the Aam Aadmi Party, all those people slowly had beginning to think that the party had changed. Arvind Kejriwal has changed, and that is why in the resignation letter he specifically wrote that what began as Aam Aadmi Party has now become the Khas Aadmi Party, in a veiled manner, pointing fingers at Arvind Kejriwal and also saying what I thought Aam Aadmi Party was, that party has changed dramatically. And that's the reason why we are seeing that now, since he's switched sides and he's moved to the BJP, the person Kailash Gehlot, he's the one who's leading and also saying that corruption needs to be answered. And this is exactly what he said when he joined the BJP, also in the press conference, that massive corruption is now plaguing Aam Aadmi Party and various departments working in the national capital. All of them are also reeking with corruption. So corruption will definitely become a poll plank, and none other than Kailash Gehlot, the person who recently switched from Aam Aadmi Party to BJP, now raising questions and raising fingers at Arvind Kejriwal.
And Aishwarya, quickly, what's also been the AAP's response to all of these allegations of an illegal splurge of the Chief Minister's residence?
Well, we did see earlier how when the images came out, Akshita, the amount came out, how many crores were actually spent to redo the house of Arvind Kejriwal. That time, the Arvind Kejriwal and all his top leaders, including Atishi, Saurabh Bharadwaj, all of them were pointing fingers at BJP and saying that what you are saying is not correct. But now someone who was so closely associated with Aam Aadmi Party for so many years, he's the one who was asking these questions, and now Arvind Kejriwal is now supposed to answer. But let me tell you, no official statement coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party, but the BJP will keep at it. They want that answers with regards to Sheesh Mahal need to be given by Aam Aadmi Party, the kind of corruption that was being seen, from where did you get the money, where did the money go, all those questions still remain unanswered.
All right, Aishwarya, thanks very much for joining us with those details.